I'm Brandon Hurd, Managing Director of Fabricon Modular.
I'm Mark Scullion. I'm an Executive Vice President and Partner with Fabricon Modular.
I had received a call from one of our sales specialists in Orlando who had said he had just received a call from the Facilities Planning and Construction Department at Gadsden County Schools. It was mid-May, and I'd spoken with Mr. Bill Hunter, who's the Director of Facilities at Gadsden County Schools. He had expressed to me that he was tasked with the night before at a board meeting that they needed over 5,100 square feet of classroom space for an increased enrollment by the end of summer. So we expressed to Bill Hunter, and he was very open to some suggestions. He was very open to what solutions we had, and the biggest advantage and the reason why he contacted us is he had seen our company as a contract holder with the state of Florida's Department of Management Services. And through the Florida Buy Cooperative, our company has been pre-vetted and is a contract holder for continuing services for anybody in the state who is a state agency, including public and private schools, nonprofits, to go ahead and utilize our catalog of products and services in the modular space.
Fabricon Modular, maybe we're crazy, but we know what we're capable of, and we made the commitment and started working immediately to streamline the purchasing process for the school district. Our director, Steve Menke, worked directly with the customer the entire time, walking them through the mechanics of the purchasing co-op, fine-tuning the specifications of the buildings. But that was just the first challenge. Getting the approvals and the money earmarked for the project is certainly important, but the next hurdle was, how do you get a factory to build buildings in half the normal time?
The other challenge we knew was supply chain. This is during the heart of COVID crisis with supply chain, and particularly at that time it was affecting the building materials and supply chain the most. Standard products that we would normally get off the shelf were 6 to 12 weeks out. We just didn't have the time to do that. We were able to provide him a solution quickly and able to get with our vendors and partners to make sure that we were able to get everything in the supply chain, get it to the factory, and start construction immediately. Fast forward 90 days, when it was all said and done, we were able to complete the project about 3 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday to open in time for school starting on a Monday.
I think what's most satisfying about the Gadsden project was the fact that the customer penned a letter speaking to our performance and capabilities. That means more to us than anything. When a customer can speak on our behalf, it rings louder than anything we could ever say.
It's a really proud moment, I think, for us. Bill was certainly appreciative, and most importantly, I think Gadsden County was very appreciative, because the last thing we wanted to do was be a provider who was tasked with this project and the students show up for school on the first day and didn't have a place to go. So it was really important for us to make sure that we delivered on the promise so that the school was able to get the kids in school on the first day.